and friends.
We're cooking for ya.
We'll make some good food, talk about marriage and parenting too. Self-care and budgeting and some recipes for life, yeah. Cooking with Debbie and friends.
Oh, that just makes my heart so happy. Well, someone else we want to see on stage, we can't wait to see her back here in Las Vegas, is a friend of our More Show and one of our favorite comedians. Every time she's in here, she has us cracking up. Debi Gutierrez, how are you, my friend?
I'm good. I miss you guys so much.
I know we miss you, but you know what? I had so much fun watching your cooking videos. And first of all, before we even start, tell us about your talented guy right by you, the guy with the little ukulele. That was so much fun.
That is my husband, and he's a musician and a producer, which is a real gift to me because when this pandemic hit, you know, I came home from the grocery store and my heart was broken. It was my first trip out during the pandemic, and I told him, please turn the camera on me. I have some things I want to say. And then from there, him being a producer, he was able to produce a whole cooking show right here in our kitchen where I can talk to other people who are trying to deal with this pandemic and budget and eat well and feel like they have a friend. So that's a long answer to that. Cute guy is my husband.
But you know what? You guys are so amazing together. And I even love the little tune he came up to. So when you get your cooking show on the Food Network, you already have your tune, right?
Yeah, and you know what's so funny is people either love it or they can't get it out of their head and they call us back going, I can't get this song out of my head. And I'll be, you know, milling around the house, cooking with me and my friends. Yeah, yeah.
I'm telling you, when I was watching the video, I was definitely singing it and dancing along to it. Okay, let's talk about your videos because the food you are putting together is absolutely delicious. I was looking at the video, the mahi-mahi tacos.
Yeah.
My belly.
Really? Yeah. Oh, thank you. And you know what? I really, first of all, my history with food, I've been a mom working out of the house for 25 years. So I had to learn how to quarterback from 2,000 miles away. So I learned how to cook and prep and budget food to go right into the freezer. So also I've been a guest host on The Chew several times because of the way I cook, which is a home cook, which is what most of us are. And I keep my eye on the price, like the mahi-mahi tacos. Yeah, it's shocking when you're like, oh my gosh, $19 for, you know, this fish, but you can turn that fish into so many dishes by just being smart. And I keep my eye on what's in season, what's leaving. Buy your garlic now. It's getting harder and harder to find.
And you're going to actually cook for us this morning. I'm so excited about this too.
I am. Now I'm tethered, so I'm going to have to get my husband, who's a sous chef, in here. And there he is.
Hi. All right.
What do you want me to do, baby?
Okay, I'm going to first of all show you, we're going to make a chicken with peppers and mango and cilantro.
Oh, I love it.
You can serve this, I know, you can serve it over rice. You can eat it all by yourself, or you can put it into a taco. So, this is what's so exciting. Here's a mango, right? This is my mango. We just cut it. Always wash your produce before you use it, even something where you're going to toss the peeling, because when you cut your knife through, it's going to, you know, pick up anything that's there. Watch this. This is so cool. This is my new trick. What kind of crazy witchcraft is that? Right?
That is awesome. I usually eat the peel. I get so frustrated. All right, what else do we have? I can't wait to see the recipe.
Okay, so Travis is over there at the stove, and we've got chicken breast with 3 kinds of peppers. Don't be a hero. If you can't take the time to wash and peel peppers, go buy it already done. And now we're going to throw in our fresh mango in there for the magic and the color. And it's savory and it's sweet and it's beautiful and it's getting kids to eat. And then when we're done with that, we're going to throw some cilantro on top.
I love it, and I love the way you say cilantro, my friend. All right, so we can actually check out that recipe on your YouTube page. Where else can we get more information? Because we want to support you. We want you back in Vegas. We can't wait to welcome you back.
I can't wait either. I'm going to bring treats for y'all. I used to bring chocolate-covered pretzels and stuff. You can catch me on Facebook, under my name, the fan site, and then YouTube and Instagram. And we put all our recipes up. And if you have ideas for me, contact me. Hey, I'm looking at a rump roast. What the heck can I do with a rump roast?
All right, Debbie, we have all your information on our screen, Cooking with Debbie and Friends. Tell your talented husband we will welcome him to Vegas as well. We have a great kitchen outside, so you guys will both be here to cook with us.
Yay! Thank you so much. Be safe. Wash your hands.
Oh, virtual hug. All right.
Virtual hug. Oh, here we go.
Woo, I love it. I can smell it. No, I can't wait to taste it. More, we'll be right back.
Mwah.
It's time for more Celebrity Spin Zone, where local charities always win. Sponsored by Finley Automotive Group.
All right, we are in our Celebrity Spin Zone because, of course, social distancing. We are doing a virtual spin in honor of comedian Debi Gutierrez and a fabulous cook. She was so funny. I can't wait to see her back in Vegas. Now, this month of June belongs to Nevada Partnership for Homeless Youth. So whatever amount our spin lands on, it will be donated to this wonderful organization. All right, let's do it on this Friday. We're happy. We're celebrating. All right, big money for this wonderful organization. All right, here we go on this Friday. Make it a good one. Big money. All right, here we go, here we go. All right, thank you, Tracy, in our studio helping us out. Yes, $1,000. For more information on Nevada Partnership for Homeless Youth, you can log on to nphy.org or call that number on your screen, 702-383-1332. We thank you so much for helping so many of our wonderful youth here in Southern Nevada.